What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, so I want to start this video by thanking all my supporters for being so patient. And for anyone new, please like and subscribe if you want to see more sneaker related content. But enough promo, let's get right into it, starting with the packaging. Pull out Nike sportswear box in this creamsicle orange. It's a really cool departure from the glossy black or white I'm used to seeing. So already I see Mr. Jerry Lorenzo is being super hands-on with this project. Taking a look inside, white paper with Fear of God branding. Now let's take a look at the shoes, get some first impressions. Feels like quality materials, not a lightweight shoe but not heavy either, and just an interesting silhouette. So now let's take a detailed look, starting with the upper. What's most interesting to me in this pair is the straps. Taken from the Nike Air Raid and seeing it in hand now, it works really well with the silhouette. For me, the Air Raid has always just seemed too bulky, especially with the midsole outsole combination you'll find on that shoe. But here, I find it adds a sporty look without the bulk. If anyone's interested, check the description for a link to an interview with Jerry where he reveals he was very influenced by Nike, Air Jordans, and basketball. And once I got these shoes in hand and started really inspecting them, I started picking up those influences in subtle ways. So here I'm just showing you how the ankle straps are constructed. Moving down, the midfoot straps have these buckles that connect with the ankle straps. They're stitched to the bottom of the upper here. And laser lock up top, very reminiscent of Air Jordan 5 or 6, but this one has Nike, or rather Air Fear of God branding on it. It's a nice touch. Taking the laces out, nothing special here. Black laces with matte black metal eyelets. Inside, the insole has Air Fear of God branding. On the side is your size tag. And on the tongue, some more Air Jordan influences. It's an Air Fear of God patch upside down, like what you'd find in an Air Jordan 4. It does come with an extra pair of laces. And now let's move down to the midsole. So from pictures, it looks like this would be made out of foam, but actually it's completely made of rubber. Being all rubber and one color with minimal detailing on the midsole, my eyes are drawn to the form and sleekness of the midsole. I think the all black upper definitely adds to this effect. The Air unit, while it looks exactly the same as the Air Fear of God 1 and the shoot around pair sans cage, it's actually not the same. This is a 180 Air unit, not the zoom unit you find in the aforementioned 2. Overall, I'm impressed with the new silhouette. They look sleek, they're comfortable to wear, and I'm excited to see what else this collaboration has in store for us. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and watch out for the next video.